Florida's stand your ground law. An accused killer says he was threatened before a deadly shooting outside of a St. Augustine bar last year.
News4Jax reporter Joe McLean is joining us now live with a closer look at this case and what attorneys expect will happen. Joe, video evidence is set to play a big role.
Right. Of course, video evidence always a big part of analyzing a case like this. And of course, the moments that that it was really a fight outside of a bar in St. Augustine, the moments that fight escalated and turned violent, all of it caught on surveillance footage.
In the video, you can see the fight escalating outside of the now closed Dos Gatos bar in St. Augustine. On the top left of the screen is Luis Casado. On the right is Adam Amoia. Amoia can be seen hitting Casado in the face multiple times. During the attack, Casado keeps his hand in his pocket. Later, he pulls a gun from that pocket and shoots Amoia, killing him. Casado's attorneys say this is a case of self-defense and that the charge of manslaughter should be dismissed. Still, prosecutors will argue that there was no reason to take the deadly action and that the shooting was not justified. Randy Reep is an attorney not affiliated with this case and said it's a tough question that the court will likely have a jury weigh in on.
I find a genuine reluctancy on the part of the judges to take this question out of the hands of the jury. Because he's ruling immune forever from prosecution. If the facts support that, then the judge will make that decision. But it's usually always a razor's edge. It's not very, very clear.
Casado is also charged with carrying a concealed weapon without a permit, which is required in the state of Florida. That means even if the manslaughter charge is dropped, he'll still face the gun charge.
That hearing is just beginning today. It's not clear if there will be any kind of decision, obviously, but that hearing is set to begin at 10 this morning. Reporting live, I'm Joe McLean, Channel 4, the local station.